Question number 33. 12a to the power 4 plus 11a square plus 2 divided by 3a square plus 2. 12a to the power 4 plus 11a square plus 2. At first 12a to the power 4 divided by 3a square. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. A to the power 4 divided by a square equal a square. Now 4a square multiply with 3a square plus 2. That means 3 4s are 12. A square multiply with a square equal a to the power 4. Then 4a square multiply with plus 2. That means plus 8a square. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Now plus 12a to the power 4 minus 12a to the power 4 equals 0. Subtracted value of 11a square minus 8a square equal 3a square. Then plus 2. Now 3a square divided by 3a square equal 1. So plus 1 multiply with 3a square equal 3a square, then multiply with plus 2 equal plus 2. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Subtracted value of plus 3a square minus 3a square equals 0, plus 2 minus 2 equals 0. So the required quotient 4a square plus 1. Question number 34. X to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4 divided by x square minus xy plus y square. X square minus xy plus y square, x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4. At first x to the power 4 divided by x square equal x square. Now x square multiply with x square minus xy plus y square. X square multiply with x square equal x to the power 4. X square multiply with minus xy equal minus x cube y. Then x square multiply with y square, that means plus x square y square. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Plus x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 equals 0. Plus x square y square minus x square y square equals 0. Now we can write x cube y plus y to the power 4. Now x cube y divided by x square equal xy. So plus xy multiply with x square minus xy, then plus y square. Xy multiply with x square, that means x cube y plus x square minus x square equal minus x square y square. Then plus xy multiply with y square equal xy cube. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Plus x cube y minus x cube y equals 0. Then we can write x square y square minus xy cube, then plus y to the power 4. Now x square y square divided by x square equal y square. Y square multiply with x square, that means x square y square. Y square plus y square multiply with minus xy equal xy cube minus xy cube, then plus y square equal plus y to the power 4. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Plus x square y square minus x square y square equals 0, minus xy cube plus xy cube equals 0, plus y to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 equals 0. So the required quotient equal x square plus xy plus y square. Question number 35. A to the power 5 plus 11a minus 12 divided by a square minus 2a plus 3. At first, a to the power 5 divided by a square equal a cube. Now a cube multiply with a square minus 2a plus 3. A cube multiply with a square equal a to the power 5. Then a cube multiply with minus 2a equal minus 2a to the power 4. Then a cube multiply with plus 3, that means plus 3a cube. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Plus a to the power 5 minus a to the power 5 equals 0. Now we can write 2a to the power 4 minus 3a cube, then plus 11a, then minus 12. Now 2a to the power 4 divided by a square equal 2a square. Now plus 2a square multiply with a square minus 2a plus 3 plus 2a square multiply with a square, that means 2a to the power 4. 2a square multiply with minus 2a, that means minus 4a cube. Then plus 2a square multiply with plus 3, that means 6a square. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Plus 2a to the power 4 minus 2a to the power 4 equals 0. Subtracted value of plus 4a cube and minus 3a cube equal plus a cube. Then we can write minus 6a square plus 11a minus 12. Now a cube divided by a square equal a. Now a multiply with a square minus 2a plus 3. A multiply with a square equal a cube, then plus a multiply with minus 2a equal minus 2a square, then plus a multiply with plus 3 equal plus 3a. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Plus a cube minus a cube equals 0. Subtracted value of minus 6a square and plus 2a square equal minus 4a square. Subtracted value of 11a and minus 3a equal plus 8a. then minus 12. Now minus 4a square divided by a square equal minus 4. Now minus 4 multiply with a square minus 2a plus 3, that means minus 4a square minus 4 multiply with minus 2a minus minus plus 4 to the 8a minus 4 multiply with plus 3 equal minus 12. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Now minus 4a square plus 4a square equals 0 plus 8a minus 8a equals 0 minus 12 plus 12 equals 0. So the required quotient equal a cube plus 2a square plus a minus 4.